Hi, this is Jillian Laricella for class Edit 4020, and thus far in my final project, I am on my way in making my app for maximizing workout and running experiences. And so I am still going through different tools in order to create this app, and a main part of my marketing aspect of my app that I'm focusing on right now is the design of the logo for my app. And so in figuring that out, I found this tool, this website called canva.com that I've been using to create an app logo, and it's been really easy to use. So as you can see, it gives you a range of design options to start from. You have all these different options. And for me, since I wanted just a logo, I clicked right here. And once it loads, it gives you all these different options, and it gives you kind of templates as to what these different people in the past made for logos and different ways you can design them. And you have all these different options with the layouts, elements, text, background, and you can upload your own pictures or text or whatever you need. And you can also search for a bunch of different things. So, for instance, when I started to create my logo, I searched for runners, and it gives you all these different pictures and options. And I think I narrowed it down to, well, once I was looking through, I decided, maybe I didn't want to do a runner because it's an app for running and working out, so I didn't want to just specify the running aspect of it. But since this app also incorporates heart rate and tracking your running. I looked up heart rate, and it gives you all these options. But like I said, I just kind of kept searching until I found what really clicked and what worked for what exactly I wanted to market as my app. And so I finally got this design. Right now, the name of my app is Jet, and so I wrote that out. It gives you an option for text to write out whatever you want. Gives you a range of fonts. Like I said, it gives you little templates to use. So I just wrote out, Jet. I was able to space the letters how I wanted, and place it on the logo or on the logo however I wanted. And then I incorporated these different these are like music bars that I put in because also on my app you can listen to music. And then I put this little heartbeat in because it keeps track of your heart rate. And then in the little corner I put the App Store logo. So that people know that when they see it that it's an app and you can find it on the App Store. So overall, this website has been really easy to use. It's really been helpful in designing my logo for my app, and I have created something that it's really grabs your attention, and it kind of illustrates what exactly the app does and indicates that well, from the title that it's something has to do with athleticism, and then from the look of it, you kind of can get a gist of what the app does. So it's been really great, and it's really helped me move forward in my project now that I can move forward from my marketing and what I want to kind of brand my app as, and look more into the logistics of how the app will work.